Good morning children. Today we are going to discuss some problems related to Python. First program to calculate the area of a regular polygon. For solving this we have to understand the formula. Area of a regular polygon equal to n square by 4 tan pi by n, where n is the number of sides and s is the length of any side. Python program. First we import tan and pi function, then input number of sides and length of a side. Area of a regular polygon equal to number of sides into side square by 4 by tan pi by number of sides. This value stored in variable pol area and print its value. The output is as follows. Next question, Python program to find the roots of a quadratic equation. A quadratic equation is represented as ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here a comma b and c are numbers, where a not equal to 0. Its root is minus b plus or minus sqrt of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Program. First we import sqrt function, then input three numbers. First number stored in A, second number stored in B, and third number stored in C. Then find b square minus 4ac. That value stored in R. When R greater than 0, we get two solutions, x1 and x2. When it is 0, we get only one solution. Otherwise, we got a pair of complex solution, that is no roots. Output is as follows. Next question, program to calculate arc length of an angle. Arc length equal to 2 pi r into theta by 360. See how this program is implemented in Python. I hope you clear with this. This was the last topic of this section. Please make to practice more problem as much as possible and share your knowledge with others. Thank you.